Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about arthritis. But before we get started, can you answer this trivia question? What celebrity has debilitating arthritis? A. Pink. B. Jack Nicholson. C. Kathleen Turner. Or D. Cheech Marin. Stick around for the end of the video for the answer. Arthritis is very common but not well understood. Actually, arthritis is not a single disease. It's an informal way of referring to joint pain or joint disease. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis and related conditions. People of all ages, sexes, and races can and do have arthritis, and it's the leading cause of disability in America. More than 50 million adults and 300,000 children have some type of arthritis. It is most common among women and occurs more frequently as people get older. That's what happens with rheumatoid arthritis. It attacks and damages joints. This leads to swelling, pain, inflammation, and possibly joint deformity. Let's look at some examples of arthritis. Juvenile arthritis, or JA, by contrast, is a little different. Also known as pediatric rheumatic disease, JA is an umbrella term used to describe the many autoimmune and inflammatory conditions, or pediatric rheumatic diseases, that can develop in children under the age of 16. Juvenile arthritis affects nearly 300,000 children in the United States. Although the various types of juvenile arthritis share many common symptoms, like pain, joint swelling, redness, and warmth, each type of JA is distinct and has its own special concerns and symptoms. Some types of juvenile arthritis affect the musculoskeletal system, but joint symptoms may be minor or non-existent. Juvenile arthritis can also involve the eyes, skin, muscles, and gastrointestinal tract. Osteoarthritis is the most common type of arthritis. When the cartilage, or the slick cushioning surface at the end of bones, wears away, bones rub against bone, causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. Over time, joints can lose strength, and pain may become chronic. Risk factors include excess weight, family history, age, and previous injury. An ACL tear, for example. When the joint symptoms of osteoarthritis are mild or moderate, they can be managed by balancing activity with rest, using hot and cold therapies, regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, strengthening the muscles around the joint for added support, using assistive devices, taking over-the-counter pain relievers or anti-inflammatory medicines, and avoiding excessive repetitive movements. There are many things that can be done to preserve joint function, mobility, and quality of life. Learning about the diseases and treatment options, making time for physical activity, and maintaining a healthy weight are essential. Arthritis is a commonly misunderstood disease. The Arthritis Foundation is the only nonprofit organization dedicated to serving all people with arthritis. Its website, arthritis.org, has many resources for learning about arthritis, practical tips for daily living, and more. So who was our celebrity? If you answered Kathleen Turner, you were correct. Kathleen says that the only effective treatment in the 1990s when she was diagnosed was massive doses of steroids, with massive side effects, she added. She recalled times when she wanted to pick up a bottle and couldn't grip it, so people assumed she was drunk. So there you go. We hope you learned about arthritis in this video. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe for more medical videos.
My name is Gabby, and I have been doing Rest More for almost a year and a half now, and I'm really persistent on this product. I love it. It has made me so where I just take 2 of them, and in about 30 minutes or so I am relaxed and I can go to sleep very well. It doesn't make me necessarily knocked out and completely drowsy, but it definitely puts my mind and my body in the right state to where I can go to sleep in a relaxed and calm state.